Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. In today's video I'll share with you a wonderful and very effective tip that is going to help keep cancer at bay. This drink is going to help protect your body from chronic inflammation, which in turn generates cancer and every other kind of ailment that your body might get. So if this is your first time watching this channel, click on that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you find this video helpful and useful, share with your friends and loved ones and give it a huge thumbs up. The hot water in this remedy is to help stimulate circulation in your body, and it's going to help with the metabolic process of your body, and it's going to help get this ingredient into the necessary areas of the body. The next ingredient we need for this remedy is saffron flour. Saffron flour is rich in vitamin A, B and C, and is very high in anti-inflammatory properties that is going to help fight any kind of inflammation you may have in your body, and is going to help prevent you from having cancer and every other kind of ailment or disease your body might get. It contains active agent that fights free radicals that in turn generates cancer. It fights these free radicals and neutralizes it completely, and it treats any chronic inflammation in the body and gets rid of all the kinds of infection you may have, and it's going to help promote a healthy body and a beautiful skin. And I'll take very little quantity of the saffron flour. I'll add it to my mold. I'll turn in my hot water. So our tea is ready, as you can see. So we'll just stir this up a bit and allow it to sit for 3 minutes. Then our tea is ready. This tea is going to protect your body and fight free radicals that in turn generates cancer. So our tea is ready. You can take this tea 2 to 3 times in a day. It doesn't have any side effects. It only helps to keep your system healthy, and it helps with the metabolic process of your system in turn, which keeps risk of cancer and any kind of body ailments away. So you take this tea first thing in the morning and last thing before bedtime, as many times as you desire. So there you have it, guys. Just go ahead and try this out and share with me how it turned out, how your experience was. Share this video with your friends and loved ones as well. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos, because I upload very effective and very useful and informative tips just as this one on this channel on a daily basis. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.